Welcome to this quick tutorial on searching for students and managing caseloads in SpEd Forms. Let's walk through the key steps and filters to help you find the right students effectively. There are 3 ways to access the student search page in SpEd Forms. From the overview page, you just have to click the Students button near the top center of the screen. On pages where the left side hamburger menu and navigation window are, you're going to scroll down to the bottom section and click Admin Students. This again will bring us back to our search page. If you're on a page where the hamburger menu and left side navigation window are not, use the Go To drop-down list in the upper right-hand corner. Admin Students is listed near the bottom and will take you to the same student search page. If you already have a list of students, you're going to click Search Again to start a new search. SpEd Forms remembers your last search even after you've logged out. On the search page, there are a lot of filters to help you find a student. The most common ones are the first and last name. You can type just part of a name here, and the search will find all the students that meet that requirement. Plan Manager limits the search to a specific case manager's caseload. It is also good to use the Active SpEd checkbox in order to limit the search to just students who are active in SpEd Forms. Once you click Search, the results will be displayed with key student details, including their Mars ID, name, who the case manager is, birth date, the last evaluation written date, and the last meeting date for the IEP. You'll see some visual indicators, such as a green smiley that indicates that everything is in compliance and that dates have been entered. There's an orange face that lets you know that something is coming due. And there are red frowny faces, which means that we're currently out of compliance. One thing to note is with the meeting dates, if the plan hasn't been finalized, even though the meeting has been held, the face will continue to be red. This makes it easy to check compliance, update documents, and review past records without extra steps. From the search results, you can quickly open a student's IEP working documents, which are editable, or the history. You can use the More button to quickly get to specific reports and the history, or you can use the Forms button in order to get to the whole SpEd file for that particular student. Remember, use Search Again to clear old results and apply filters like Active SpEd and Plan Manager for targeted searches. The visual indicators help track compliance at a glance. For more tutorials, use the online binder or contact your special education coordinator.